crow. One day, a crow was sitting on a tree in a grassland. A flock of sheep was grazing in that grassland. After a while, the crow saw an eagle flying high in the sky. He noticed that the eagle dived down from the sky and grabbed a lamb with his claws. The eagle took the lamb with him to his nest located high over a treetop. The crow thought of imitating the eagle, so he flew towards another lamb and tried to catch it with his claws. But the lamb was too heavy. The crow was shocked as his little claws got caught and trapped in the lamb's thick fur. He tried hard to get off the lamb but could not. His claws were totally entangled in the lamb's thick fur. A shepherd saw the crow. He caught the crow and put it in a cage. The crow became the laughingstock for every passerby. The timid lamb. Once upon a time, there was a lamb. She never went out of her house because she was always scared that her wool would be sheared. Her parents were forever cheering her up, saying that she should not be so scared. One day, when her parents insisted, she went out for some time to the park. She enjoyed the fresh air and felt very good. Suddenly, she heard a feeble voice. Help! This time, she wasn't scared, but started looking for the source of that voice. She saw a rabbit crouching under a bush. He was injured and seemed scared. He told the lamb how he fell into a hunter's trap and then managed to escape from there. The kind lamb took the rabbit to her home. They became very good friends thereafter. After being able to help someone else who was scared, she herself was not scared anymore. The brave frog. Once upon a time, there lived a little frog near a pond in a beautiful garden. She used to croak every day until midday, and then she would go out looking for food. One morning, as she was clearing her throat to sing her song, as she always did, a big storm came, and then the rain started. Hours passed by, but the rain did not stop. The frog needed to go out to look for some food, but she could not do so. She decided not to give up so easily. She came up with a plan to come out of this difficult situation. First, she collected the fallen leaves from under the tree. Then, she wove them together, making a little boat. In this manner, she went rowing through the water in the garden, searching for her usual food, carefully and with confidence. The horse and the stag. Once a wild horse was grazing on a grassland and enjoying its food. After some time, it saw a stag come and nibble in the same grassland. There was enough grass for both of them, but the horse did not want to share it and thought of a plan to get rid of the stag. It saw a man passing by. The horse asked the man to help him kill the stag. The man agreed, but said that he would have to mount the horse in order to chase the stag. The horse agreed, and very soon the man killed the stag. Now the man refused to get off. The horse began to kick and fling, but all it got was a good whipping. At last, it had no alternative but to give in to the man and work for him on his farm.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.